Lobby, ano yung sabi mo headache sa puproduce nito? Ano yung mga headache? Pwede kayo malaman?
Actually, not really here eh. I'm doing other projects as well.
Sa bakit? Meron ka ginagawa?
Yeah, but others then. But it's not really, it's like, here kasi I have guidance eh. The other projects I'm doing on my own.
Wow.
Coming soon. But, no, but then, yeah, so I think it's just, you know, I feel like it's like every other business, right? You know, kasi sanay ako maging actor, and then now I'm starting something new. I'm getting into producing. Nangangaba ako, and you know, I'm dealing with a lot of people. So, yeah. But here, to be honest, it's a breeze.
Si Dustin naman tanongin ko. Nagkaroon ba kayo na eksena ni Lowy?
Yes, bro.
How do you feel working with the premier actress?
Yeah.
Hindi ka ba sinuplada?
Sorry?
Hindi ka ba daw sinuplada?
Hindi naman.
Okay. Anong ginawa niya sa'yo?
Wala naman.
Wala ka. Okay. So, how did you feel?
Nung una, kasi siyempre hindi ko naman siya, hindi ko pa siya nakita in person. So, parang nung una, medyo natakot pa ako.
Of course.
Of course, diba? Kahit naman sino eh. Pero nung isang first exam namin, magkatabi na kami, hindi kami nag-uusap. Siya yung parang binigyan niya agad na ice. Tanong siya ng isang topic na parang boom. Eh, doon na nag-start. Kasi ako mahihayin talaga na ako. Mabilis ako matakot.
Mabilis matakot sa babae?
Hindi naman sa babae. Pero sa mga, ano na, ang tagal na sa industriya.
Grabe ito.
June, ayaw na niyang gamitin yung word of veteran.
Ito na ba yung 14 pala yung legal baby na yan eh. Tawag ko legal, so unlike yun na, yung Robin talaga na yan eh. Talagang tatarayan ka niya kung hindi ka niya, hindi mo siya kailangan.
Talaga ba?
Oo, di ba? Sabi ni John Nolin, di ba? Joke lang, wala naman. Ano naman si Sarah? So Sarah, how's working with Logan and the boys? Nagtaray-taray ka na dito?
Yes. Pero not as intense na pagtataray like before. Kasi nga po yung character ko dito, she's naive and unaware of what's really happening around her. Kaya yung mga nagiging reaction niya po, hindi niya alam yung ginagawa ng love of her life.
Okay.
So kaya ganun yung nagiging reaction niya.
Sino may love of her life mo dyan?
Secret!
Meron pa rin.
Mapapanood niyo rin po yan. Working with Lovey and everyone else, it's so amazing. It's such an amazing experience. Very honored also to be working with Direk Connie for the first time. Direk Connie, thank you so much for the guidance and the patience. She's always asking us, she's always asking us, how do you feel? Do you feel like your character would do this? Does it feel right to you? So I really, really appreciate that, and I look forward to doing more work with Direk Connie in this cast. It's most especially Lovey.
Tando ko si Direk Connie. Direk Connie, mahirap bang i-execute ang love scene na isang lobby po? Mahirap ba?
Hindi po. Kasi we trust each other. Parang I wouldn't do something to her that I want done to me. So, or to anybody, diba? So parang, if it's in a negative way. So as long as...
Ano yung Direk? Grabe kayong dalawa na nagkakaintindihan.
Okay, ganito yan. Parang akong nanay nito. So kanyari naglalakad mo siya sa hallway na kita na yung niya. Kanya-kayamanan. Bigyan na ng tuwalya to. Tapos ikaw po, mahihain yung mo.
Ayun na.
Sorry, syempre, gusto mong ipakita the best angle or the best in any of these people here, the actors here, kailangan maganda yung itsura nila. Kung ipapakita natin yung intimate parts of their bodies, sana to the best na yung angle.
Flattering, yes.
Flattering as a girl. Medyo, tigis ka ng konti. Ang lakas ng pick up. So kahit naman may emote, mutuloy yung buhat, gumagano'n. So,
merong
nakaka-enjoy na i-mount yung mga scenes kasi alam mo na they take it seriously, they put respect in what we're doing, and they focus and pay attention. So basically, hindi madali yung eksena, pero it makes it much easier because I'm working with them and they put their characters, themselves in the characters of buhay. Buhay yung ginagawa. As for Longy, from Malaya, fan na niya ako.
Okay.
Sabi ko, ay, anak ka nga ng tatay mo, you're meant to be in this industry. And moving forward here, nag-asawa na siya, and we saw each other in LA. Ang layo na inabot ng how she had developed into a more, yung sensibility niya as an actress and as a woman, sobrang lumawak pa. Gusto ko pang experience yun. I mean,
No, me too, Direk. I'm such a huge fan of Direk Connie. To be honest, when we did Malaya, ang binitawan kong salita is, sana maaga ko pa siyang makilala. So that before pa lang natuto na ako from her. Talaga every time I comment sa set, talaga, I know I'm gonna be there as a student ni Direk Connie. Bilib na bilib talaga ako sa kanya. Kasi yung naging outfit ng Malaya, no, like,
pero tsaka hindi madali yung role niya, ang daming minemorize. Aside from the fact na maraming ginubad, maraming minemorize.
grabe.
So, equal opportunity yung balance.
Ako nagme-memorize sa guban.
Lawyer, pero paano kung pinapanood yung eksena? Kaling ni Lori dyan kaling ni Lori dyan parang memorize ka.
actually, one kong group, thanks Mr. Lee, nung binasa ko sa'yo, puputay tayo dyan, ang dami. I'm telling you, I have no joke. I would like recite it every day, like probably 10 times, all of my lines before shooting day. Mga buwan yun. Para lang pagdating ko sa set.
Saka diba nag-research tayo, we asked lawyers, how do you see this? I went to court, I wanted to see how it happens in court. So, share ko sa kanya, girl, ito papanoorin natin, etc. So, madalas tayo nag-message, no? Para mag-usap lang din sa mga eksena. So, sobrang excited to see this and share with everybody for this film na Guilty Pleasures October 16. Sana nakita tayo talaga lahat doon.
Alright, thank you, June.
Thank you.
June, pasa mo na kay Ana Pingol. Ha?
Tatanong ka pa nga.
Pwede.
Direk, anong mga sexual calisthenics na-expect namin?
Grabe naman. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-phrase, sexual calisthenics.
Parang may mga sadism, role-playing, yung mga sinasuggest kasi sa teaser, parang may konting sa listahan ba to? Ano mo masasagot mo?
Mas gusto kong i-share niya yung kanyang first experience. Pero siyang i-share, i-share mo na.
Kasi kanina pa ako kinukulat ko ni Direk. Sabihin mo na kasi sa kanilang lahat. So yung first case ko kasi dito si Dustin. As in ever po, never pa po ako nagka-boyfriend before. So, while doing some scenes, medyo na-pressure talaga ako. And lagi kong pinakausap si Direk, please hindi ako marunong ng ganito, ganyan. Pero si Direk, inay niya naman ako. Inay? Parang pakipakinggan. Pero yan, inay niya ako throughout the scenes. And also, tinulungan din ako ni Direk sa character ko. Kasi hindi siya madami. For me, kasi never pa ako, hindi ko pa na-experience yung ganong bagay niya. So, yeah.
Ano nga yung mga bagay na yun, Direk?
First kiss niya daw.
Yun, yung kiss, yung
Calisthenics na ba yun?
Sabi niya, first kiss niya in real life nangyari sa pelikula with Dustin. Birthday pa ni Dustin noon. Happy birthday to you.
Ano na lang, Direk?
Maraming unusual scenes na makikita. Why? Because iba yung character ni Jalen, iba yung character ni Jameson, iba yung character ni Dustin. So definitely, kung ginawa nila to in real life or kung nalaman na kayong kwento ng ganito, iba rin yung interpretation nila of how they're going to mount this scene. At meron siyang reason in the end, makukonect mo siya why things like that happen.
Last na lang. Kung this kay Direk pa rin, anong endpoint pa nito? Matitilate pa kami o matatakot kami makipag-sex after?
Grabe ka naman. Beyond kinukwento namin kanina, ano yun pang balansa siya. So may portion siya na gano'n, pero may portion siya kung saan. Alam mo yung Sino ang mamahalin mo? Yung lalaki, the guy who makes you feel uncertain, excited, and exhilarated versus the man who makes you laugh out loud. Yan. Masasagot mo yan in the end ng film. Pili ka kung sino sa dalawang klaseng lalaki na yan ang gusto mong makasama habang buhay. Diba?
Grabe yung choices. Thank you, Ana. Maraming salamat. Let's call in now Ian Farin.